Hi, I'm Ryan Fincher. I'm the 2019 welder for WorldSkills USA. I love welding. It takes a lot of skill and it's got an artistic side to it, I guess you could say. Growing up, I was always the kid poking the fire, playing with the fire. Your parents constantly have to get on to you, quit playing with fire. But I've just always loved fire, and when you're welding, you're pretty much creating fire, melting metal to metal, and it's just something I fell in love with.
Being selected to the Team USA for the World Skills Competition is kind of the equivalent of an athlete competing at the Olympics. That's kind of what it's related to. If you think about it in a skilled trades area and skilled areas like welding, it's the equivalent of being an Olympic athlete and going to the Olympics and representing your country.
It was a little overwhelming. I've always dreamed of it and thought about it, but I never thought I actually could do it. And I kind of surprised myself a little bit, but I was excited and it feels real good. Well, there's a little bit of a language barrier sometimes with the other competitors, but everyone has respect for one another because we've all made it to this level and we all know what it took to get to this level. So we didn't make it because we wasn't somewhat good or they wasn't somewhat good. We all kind of want to help make the welding industry better. We all are competing though for the gold, but our end goal, I believe, is to make the welding industry worldwide a better industry. Everyone I've met so far has just been real nice and friendly. We all have dedication to be here, so we all have something in common, whether we know it or not. We all have the same end goal in mind, which is, as close to perfect weld as we can get. A weld is kind of like your signature. If you want a career where you can climb the ladder and progress, you can definitely do it in welding. You can pay really good. There's so many different fields and jobs that you can get, such a wide variety of them, that it's endless. Anything from a production welder, ship welder, welding engineers. It's endless, the jobs that you can get from welding. Always push yourself to be better. Don't just settle for just good enough or that's just all right. Push yourself, see what you are capable of, or you'll never know.